Hi kids! Today I'm going to do my rolling tin pan video. I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to keep doing these. I think I'm going to keep doing them, but I'm not sure. So let's see how things go. First of all, let's start off with our finished products. Winky Lux Uni-Brow. Remember how I said I bet you that's 9 grams of packaging because I kept using it and it wasn't going down? Well, it's done. There's nothing left in it. And guess what? It's still 9 grams. It's like there's a little tiny bit there, but I'm done. What happened, I didn't finish it up. What happened was the end would dry up, and so I'd snap the end off and then use the product, okay? And that last time I went to snap off the dried end, the whole thing snapped out. So it's been well used. Would I buy it again? Yeah, absolutely. It was like a universal taupe type color. I'd buy it again. Next, we have the Baebody Eye Gel, which says it's anti-wrinkle, firming, hydrating, lifting elasticity, fight puffiness, and dark circles. I don't know about all that. It says it has stem cell technologies, plant stem cells, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, peptide complex, whatever. That's what the packaging looks like. And it had one of those airless pumps where you pump this and it comes out. And I really liked that. I thought it was very hygienic. I really enjoyed the pump until it got down to the end. And then it was like everything was stuck up in there and stuff. So I had to open it up and just use it as a regular eye gel, which is fine. I was able to get every bit of it out because it did screw off. I didn't just use this on my eyes. I used it on all of my fine lines and wrinkles, and it says on here to use it all over your face if you want, which I did, and I used it up. I will not repurchase as I don't feel that it really did anything. Next was the Dolce and Gabbana light blue. It was a Scentbird. I finished it off and I repurposed this for another perfume that I'll show you later. I love these. You can just twist off the top real easy and you can decant something else and put in here, and it has a nice big hole at the top. So it's really easy. You don't need like a funnel or anything. It's really super easy to do it. And I have covers for these so I could throw them in my purse. I don't, but I like these little containers. They're nice. Next, I have the My Beauty Diary Black Pearl Mask, because we're making Sunday Skin Day. That's an alliteration. Sunday Skin Day, or Skin Day Sunday. I don't know which one's better yet, but I came up with a name. There you go. My notes. My notes said that it turned my skin red. It was very dripping, but I did feel hydrated afterwards. But I mean, I remember this. It was so drippy. It was everywhere. It was terrible. So I won't repurchase. I don't even know where I got that mask, so I can't even say I won't repurchase because I don't know if I purchased it to begin with. Okay, next we have the Dose of Colors Blush in Statement. It was 50 grams. Guess what? It's currently 50 grams. That's what it looks like. It does look like it's been used, though. I'm wearing it today. This is what it says. Blush like you meant it. It's from the Mint For You collection that they did quite a while back. I got this for like half price or something when it was, you know, on clearance. Next, we have the Physicians Formula Super CC Plus. This had SPF and it had color correcting, whatever. I think the SPF is starting to irritate my skin, so hopefully we can use it up soon. I don't know how there's powder left in this. I keep using it and using it and using it, and powder keeps flying all over the place, and there's still powder in here. I don't know. I don't get it. Okay, so this is what we're going to talk about with the Dolce & Gabbana Scentbird Light Blue that I'm reusing. I put the Good Chemistry Queen Bee perfume in there, and I love the smell of this. I'm wearing it right now, and it smells amazing. It has blackcurrant, peony, and amber, and it's vegan and cruelty-free, and it smells amazing. Next, we have the Tarte Tarteist Lip Paint. This is one of the quick dries. This is in Get It. That's what it looks like. It's like a peachy nude. I think it's described as apricot nude. I love it. I am not wearing it right now. Oops. It was 18 grams. It's currently 18 grams. Oh, I was just messing with it. Yeah, it looks like it's down to about there. So, we're getting somewhere. I love this. It's one of my favorite. It probably is my favorite formulation of liquid lipstick. Hands down. I mean, I'm not even going to say probably. It is. Okay, and then I had my old MAC palette that I had put a bunch of singles in. And I have Lorac, Crown, and Wet n Wild in here. Just some singles that I've depotted and put in here. These Lorac shadows are going to be going soon. I'm not liking them. This is a Wet n Wild in Brulee. Not my favorite cream color. I used it today. I used this brown Lorac shadow today. I've been messing around with these Crown ones. These are from the Glam Metals palette. We got it in BoxyCharm. I'm not particularly excited about any of them. This palette last time was 210 grams. It's currently 210 grams. Yeah, that shows you how excited I am about it. But I'm going to keep it in the project. Okay, things we're going to be adding into the project. First of all, we have our Covergirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 Foundation. I like this foundation. I'm currently wearing it right now. I have it in Classic Ivory. It is 103 grams right now. If you look on the sides, it's probably about down to there. So it's a little bit more than halfway. I just want to use it up. It has an SPF in it, so I want to use it up. It says the expiration is February 2019, so it's my goal to use it up before February 2019. I like this, especially in the summertime, because you don't have to use a primer with it or anything, and it stays on. No matter how much you sweat and get oily, it stays on. So it is a good summer foundation, and now that summer is coming to a close, I would like to hurry up and use this up. Next, I am adding the ColourPop Supernova Shadow with the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration, and this is in Astrology. It is 24 grams. And since I got this, I have used and used and used it. You can tell it's all the way down to there already. If you take this out, bam, drops down to like there. I love this. I'm wearing it today. I wore it yesterday. I probably wore it the day before. It is stunningly beautiful. And these liquid eyeshadows, they don't last a long time. So I want to use it up while it's still beautiful and works wonderful. This is, I don't know if you can really see the packaging right there. I did a video about my ColourPop order. I'll throw that up in the cards right here. It's in the eye. And you can see the packaging better in that video. Love this shadow. Next, I'm going to add in the Tarte Tarteist Lip Paint in Rose. It's a mini. It's a quick dry formula. That's what it looks like. If you look at it, it looks like it's about down to there. So I've got some use on it. I would just like to use it up because it is a mini. I've had it for a while. I don't want it to go bad. And this is currently 12 grams. So it shouldn't take much to use all this up. And lastly, I have the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. I got this in my Sephora Play. It is looking like that. And since we are doing Skin Day Sunday, Sunday Skin Day, I'll pick one soon. I used this today because it's Sunday. It's 41 grams right now. Well, it was before I used it this morning. It is, it smells good. It is exfoliating, I'm sorry, retexturizing, whatever. It's a physical exfoliant. And it does make my face stingy, and I'm still feeling a little stingy from using it. And I think using this mask and using this powder, which, like I said, is irritating my skin. I think between using the two of them, I'm having a bad skin day. It hurts. It just hurts. So, those are my products, and that's pretty good. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 products used up. Bam! That is so good. In 1 month, 4 products used up. I'm very impressed with myself. Yes, I am. Very impressed. So, if you liked my video, hit subscribe, hit like, and I will see you next time. Hopefully, I'll do as good next month. That'll be great. Hey. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye!